I think you can come this side. I am very happy to inaugurate this PHC and dedicate it to the people of this constituency and this area. Thank you very much.
Kan long kasngi bansa jingkan mau bat kasngi bakman yaki pat ba ka western ribhoy hakaba menta kasngi ka artarik no pra arajar arpawar la Kyntiew kerdan no yaka Patharkhmah naka administrative unit syaka civil subdivision ya kateka jingpli pat ba lawan da menteri rangba ka jelau Konrad ke sangma haka jingyalang basyongkun kabala long hamadan jong kasnong Patharkhmah kumban syuyathu Baya ka civil subdivision la ang not la slam da ki pat ba katika than la bon paus nam kata nadu ki arpau nyos nam menshwa kabala judawaru nadu ki por ba menshwa baya ka Patharkhmah administrative unit la idei ban Kyntiew kerdan no kum ka civil subdivision Henry hakane ka kanti ba menta hapo ka jingelam uba asas tenas sotun kumu MLA la ban penurlong bat la yoru ban pli pat ba sendon ya ka office trekam jong ka te ka civil subdivision ha ka te ka jingpli ya ka civil subdivision na lor menteri rangba ka jalla lawan ban sakhilang dau ba Macmillan Bersat MLA ka Nongston constituency uba asas tenas sotun MLA ka Jirang constituency uba Victor Rani MDC ka Jirang Arpit Upadhyaya Deputy Commissioner ka Ribhoy District kihe officer naka district kinong yalam shnong kinong yalam seng bhalang rengkat bat ki hajar ngut ki pajba ki balawan ban sakhilang hakatei kasngi hakatei ka ju kasngi nakaliang menteri rangba ka jelau Konrad ke sangma haka jingdon lang MLA ka nongpo constituency ba Meral Bonds ula lej ban pli pajba ru ya ka GNM School of Nursing nongpo kabadon haka shnong pahams Ribhoy District bat ya ka Primary Health Center Hamarman Ribhoy District
mentapak haiba sasnes sotun kabin khot id badang sotun ibriu ibumda bun ktir tambah ila ada kakam ngakan mau house dap aja khatnyeu haga bagai redi ngampat mudu bari election ngasai wan kain man kapo bat badang sotun mau dei polok ubala palak khat samsem banga hadir mesaji kum nomik mat ka ai ka rai jong bari sotun bangi nak tak jim haju pai ba ngile pakhat ba yong ba hadim bingi yo i ba ka jirang ka susi ngila yo ki MLA ke minister ki chief minister tanpa ka sakum ju imat na kai gadau ngilap ya gadau nagam tak jim haju pai ba Joka jirang konstruksi iba sotun ipendem ya lebih. Lara iba sotun in penibor, kumba penibor giwe gino hikmat, uai ban saksa. Kaktim ke ong balaraya, lare kun di hati ya uklang. Teban lagi upai ba, ban yu aji mentoy upai ba, uba sotun upendem ya lebih, ba upai ba yu aji mentoy.
Ngasukmen hado kata-kata. Ladang ipai ke paro iba ki pajba ki la syak jenjar de ki posnem people have been suffering for the last many years the people of Jirang constituency especially the people of Western Ribhoy lani ban inaugurate Iaka Patharkhmah administrative unit Shaka civil subdivision. So the people of my constituency, they are very grateful of what you have done for the people of the state, especially for Jirang constituency.
I would like to thank God Almighty who has not only blessed us with this beautiful day, but he has blessed us with the civil subdivision, which I'm sure will be a very important step forward to change the lives of the people living in this region. I also would like to thank your local MLA. Basotun has been someone who has been very, very determined and passionate to ensure that this civil subdivision comes through. And the people of this region and of the constituency of Jirang must appreciate the hard work that he has done to be able to make this administrative unit into a full-fledged civil subdivision. In whatever way possible to make this program and to make this civil subdivision possible today, I'm sure that there must be a sense of satisfaction in your heart to see that all the hard work that you put in is finally bearing fruit, and you're finally seeing the civil subdivision inaugurated today.